Alright guys, John Davis here. I'm here to introduce a new product today, another new product from the makers at Sluice Fox. Today we have a pocket sluice. Now this is a small 3.5-inch wide aluminum pocket sluice. Let's unbox it. There we go. Now inside of it we're going to find we've got, okay, so it comes standard with everything you need to do to run this as a prospecting sluice out in the field or even as a cleanup sluice. Comes with V-matting on the bottom. We've got some expanded mesh riffles and miner's moss. So you could run it one of 3 different ways. First way you could run it, you can put your miner's moss in it with your V-matting underneath, or our expanded mesh over the top. And there we go. We got it set up like that. We've got our miner's moss in there, V-matting and stuff. This would be a prospecting sluice. You would throw this in the river real quick. Some places some low water flow. Like possibly right about here might even work. And boom, you would set it up just about like that. If I can keep the leaves out of it. Set up just about like that, guys. And then you could just throw some handfuls in there, a couple scoops through, check it out, see if you guys are getting any gold. Now, what I like this also for, what I think it'd be awesome for with the V-matting in there, if we take out our riffle tray, you could run this without the miner's moss. Just run your expanded mesh with the V-matting underneath it. Let me pull the miner's moss out. Of course, you could run it just like that. You have your expanded metal to create your small riffles on there. Or the third option you have is run it just with your V-matting. This would make a great little cleanup sluice for the end of the day. If you had a little recirculating sluice or even small bit of water coming down, say here at the edge, right there, that would be just about perfect to run as a cleanup for your concentrates. Might want to set a rock on there to keep it, but keep a nice low flow on there. And I'm sure that would work perfect to clean your black sands and concentrates at the end of the day. So once again, 3.5-inch wide pocket sluice from Sluice Fox.